opposite of west and north is opposite of south. Drive along the coast for 20 kilometers. Now here is a picture showing the geographic locations north, south, east, and west. East is the same as right. West is the same as left. North is the same as up. And south is the same as down. Okay, it's time for some more practice. Alberto, please ask Sylvia a direction question.
Okay, Sylvia, which way is the town center?
The town center is east of the beach.
Thank you, Sylvia. Now ask Linda a direction question.
Linda, how far is the coast from here?
The coast is 2 kilometers north of here.
Very good. Now, Linda, ask Alberto a question.
Alberto, have you ever traveled to the east?
Yes, I went to Japan last year.
Very good. Sylvia, what is the opposite of west?
The opposite of west is east.
Yes, that's correct. Linda, what is the opposite of south?
The opposite of south is north.
Okay, you're all going in the right direction. Very good. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
Is the town center west of here? No, the town center is north of here. There is no tunnel, so you must drive around the mountain. The tourist office is 2 kilometers along the coast. Do you know when the tourist office closes?
Read and repeat.
Now, let's look at how we can ask for and give directions. Usually, when we give directions to people, we use modals of possibility and modals of advice or suggestion. Let's have a quick review of these modals so that we can use them to ask for and give directions. Here is a list of modals. Please take a look at your screen. Have to, must, should, may, might. All right, first let's review how we use these modals. Alberto, when do we use should?
We usually use should when we give advice to someone.
That's correct. Can you make a sentence using should?
Yes, you should make a reservation with the hotel before you go.
That's correct. A reservation is when you check with the hotel before you arrive to make sure that they have a room for you. Okay, Linda, when do we use must?
When we use must when we talk about obligations. Obligations mean that you don't have a choice. You can't choose something. Something is necessary.
Good, very good. Can you give us an example using must?
Yes. You must pay the bill before you leave the hotel.
All right, very good. Sylvia, can you tell me how we use might?
We use might when we talk about possibilities.
That's correct. We use might to talk about possibilities. It means the same as maybe yes or maybe no. Okay, can you give us an example using might?
I might stay at the hotel for 1 night or 2 nights.
Very good. Now the other 2 modals we'll talk about are may and have to. May is used in the same way as might. Have to is used in the same way as must. Let's look at some examples with may and have to. I'm not sure. I may drive east or I may drive west. I have to get up early. Can I have a wake-up call, please? Now, let's do some exercises using modals. Sylvia, can you please complete this first sentence? You take the east road or the north road. They both go to the beach. What do you think, Sylvia?
You may take the east road or the north road. They both go to the beach.
Very good. You may take the east road or the north road. They both go to the beach. So you have a choice. All right, we use may here because we are talking about possibilities. Alberto, here's one for you. If you want to go north, you take this road out of town. All the other roads go south. Alberto.
If you want to go north, you must take this road out of town. All the other roads go south.
Okay, good. If you want to go north, you must take this road out of town. All the other roads go south. Okay, we use must here because we are talking about necessity or things that you need to do. You don't have a choice if you want to go north. You must take this road. Linda, if you want to go to the town center, you take the east road. It's the quickest way to get there. Linda.
If you want to go to the town center, you should take the east road. It's the quickest way to get there.
Very good, Linda. So if you want to go to the town center, you should take the east road. It is the quickest way to get there. So we use should because we're giving a suggestion. It is a good idea. Okay, now let's talk about how to ask and give directions to someone. Okay, imagine that you are standing at X and you are giving directions to someone who wants to go to the bank. So you tell them how to get there like this. Walk along the street until you reach King Street. You should turn right on King Street and walk along the street until you see the tourist office, and the bank is opposite the tourist office. So in a different situation, but when you are talking about the same direction, you can say to someone, you should drive along this road for 3 kilometers until you see a sign for the beach. When you see the sign for the beach, go east for 10 kilometers until you see the mountain. So let's have a look at a different picture and how we can give directions to someone. Okay,